Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, you are ready. So what can you remember from our last topic?
Mm,
Can you remember our last topic? What is your last topic?
mm,
Um, wait a minute. Page 43. Okay. Okay. I will share my book. Can you see the book now? Can you see the book or not? You can see it?
yes.
Ay, okay, wait. Okay, so let's try to read this one. So you will be this girl and I will be this girl. Okay? So, okay. I will start.
Nhưng mà con
Are you ready? Okay, I'll start. Tell me about the party.
my friends were there. The ice cream was tasty. The games were fun.
Very good. So now we will discuss about. Can you please read?
Mm, con
Contractions.
contraction.
Very good. Can you please read?
Remember, contraction are two words joined together. We make contraction by taking away a letter and adding,
Adding
adding an
apostrophe.
apostrophe.
Okay, so when we say contractions, uh, these are two words that join together. Okay, so that is contraction. So we have here examples. Is plus not is equal to, what is that? Equal to
Mm,
isn't.
isn't,
Isn't.
isn't.
Very good. So what happened is we take away letter O and we add an apostrophe. So this is what happened. How about this one? Can you please read?
Are
Plus.
plus not equals are are
How to read that one? It's aren't.
aren't
Aren't.
aren't.
Okay, next.
Was plus not equals wasn't.
Very good.
Were plus not equal weren't.
Very good. So now let's try your intelligence. Let's answer this activity. Number 1.
The ice pops weren't in the freezer.
Okay, this is correct. Okay, this is the example. How about number 2?
Water isn't a gas.
Very good. Water isn't a gas. Okay, how about next?
Coffee and tea aren't solids.
Very good. Aren't solids. How about number 4?
The
How to read that one? Just give it a try. Just try.
refrigerator.
Free, refrigerator.
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 Okay. What is the answer?
The refrigerator wasn't
Very good.
on our light.
All night. Very good. You got a perfect score. I give you a big check. Big check for Han. Okay. So now we will be reading this short story. Okay.
Let's make dinner. We can have pasta, vegetables, fruits, and ice and cream.
Okay.
And ice pops. Billy and Dot start to make dinner. Gus puts the food away. Put the ice pops in the freezer. Gas and heat the water, please, Dot.
If there's a period, please pause. Okay. Put the ice pops in the freezer, Gus. And heat the water, please, Dot. Okay? Again.
Put the ice pops in the freezer. Gas and
Up, don't. Just give a pause. Put the ice pops in the freezer, Gus. Put the ice pops in the freezer, Gus. And heat the water.
Put the ice pops in the freezer. Gas and heat the water, please, Dot.
Very good.
Look at the water. It's steam. It was a liquid and now it's a gas. Cool.
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 Very good.
Where are the vegetables? They are in the water now. Where? They're in the water. Now it's soup.
Okay, so he is asking where are the vegetables? So the vegetables are already in the water and it's already now it's
Now it's a soup.
it's a soup. Very good.
Dot looks for the cream, but the cream was in the freezer. Look, ice cream, it was a
Ice
liquid.
cream. No, there's a dot in here, so you need to pause. Look, ice cream. It was a liquid, okay? Like that.
Look, ice cream. It was a liquid and now it's a solid. Cool. The ice pops. The ice pops weren't in the freezer. Weren't in the freezer. Oh no! Yes.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. They were solids
Okay. So what happened to the ice pops is it melted. So from solid, it became a what happened to the ice pops? Ice pops are solid. So because it's not in the freezer, what happened?
It's
Now they are
a liquid.
a liquid. Very good. So let's skip this part. Okay. So now we will be studying new topic. So this oh, can you hear me? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Hi, Han. Oh, I can hear you now. Can you see the book or I will share it? Okay. Can you see the book now? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So this is our topic. Can you please read?
How are things different now from long away ago?
Away? Okay. How are things different now from long ago? So we will study new words. Can you please read?
Mm,
I'll zoom in. Okay, read.
Travel.
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 What is travel?
Travel is um
What?
travel. Mm, go
Yes, you're
go
right. Continue.
fly.
What?
Mm,
You can do it. Just what can't you think about when we talk about the word travel? What is travel? Me, I like to travel when I go to places, other places, like that. So travel, it is when you go from one place to another, right? Have you tried it? Have you tried traveling? Han? Are you still there, Han? Sige. What country? Have you tried traveling? Me, I went to Thailand. How about you?
mm,
Have you
travel.
tried traveling from other places? Answer me, Han. You're not answering me. you, have you tried to travel? How about in your country? You go to beach, to other places. Have you tried?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So what country?
Mm,
Only in Vietnam? Okay, only in Vietnam. Okay. So, next is
communication.
communication. So, what do you think is communication?
I don't know.
You don't know. So, communication is like exchanging messages, exchanging informations. Okay? Communication it is when you are sending and receiving messages. Okay? Just by simply like this, we are talking. So, we are communicating already. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, example of communication is talking, calling, texting. That is communication. Okay. How about this one?
Airplane.
Airplane. Have you tried riding an airplane?
Yeah.
Yes. Where did you go?
I go to the Da Nang.
Oh, in Vietnam. Wow. Okay. Me too. I tried riding an airplane. It's good for you. You're still a kid and you already tried riding an airplane. But me, I tried riding an airplane when I'm this big. So when I went to Thailand and I traveled to Thailand, I ride an airplane. How about this one?
News.
News. Have you seen a news?
Yeah.
Yes, so this is like it's a paper and it has a lot of um information about the important events. For example, when there's a storm, we can read it in the news, right? Yes. Han, let's go, Han. You can do it. How about this one? This is
Letter.
letter. Have you tried writing a letter?
Yes.
Yes, me too. In Teacher's Day or Mother's Day, we write letter to our parents. Okay, so this is a letter. It is just a piece of paper, and we write
Letter.
and we write something on it. Okay, how about this?
Test max. Uh,
Again,
text. Next
message,
message.
text message. This is by using phone. Have you seen Mama and Papa texting?
Mm.
Han? Yes. It's in the phone, okay? When you text here, so that is texting, okay? When you message using your phone. How about this?
Email.
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 So, we don't usually use this. We use this during business for business purposes. How about this?
Radio.
Have you tried? Have you seen a radio? You have a radio?
Yes.
Yes, it is where you
I,
listen to
I
news
have
and music.
radio.
Ooh, you have a radio? That's good. So, radio is where you hear some news and music. How about this one?
Internet.
internet. So, internet is just like this. We use internet to have a data and communicate to other people. Okay, now we will try to answer this question. I know this is just so easy for you. Okay, we will try. We have an example here. Number 1. Can you please read? Please
We
read, huh?
fly on this to go somewhere far away.
So we fly on this to go somewhere far away. So the answer is
Airplane.
airplane. Very good. How about number 2?
We can send this to our friends.
Okay, we can send this to our friends. So what do you think is the answer?
Travel.
Travel, are you sure? You can send to your friends.
Text message.
Very good. We can send text message. I'll write it here. What else?
Letter.
Letter. Very good. Okay, very good. How about number 3?
We listen to this to hear song or news.
Oh,
Radio.
very good. Radio. Number 4.
This is something you do if you like to go to new place.
Something you do if you like to go to new places. What do you think?
Travel.
Travel. Very good. Doing great. How about number 5?
Email and text messages are examples of this. Email.
Email and text messages are examples of this. What do you think is this? Okay, what do you think is the answer? When we email and text, what is that all about? It is
Communication.
very good. That is communication. How about number 6?
This is something we use a lot of fast information.
To find information, we use this a lot.
News.
News? We use a lot to find information. Email? I don't think so. We something This is something we use a lot to find information. What do we use to use Google? It's the
Internet.
Yes, it's the internet. How about number 7?
We can turn on the TV or listen to the radio to hear this.
What do you think is the answer?
News.
Very good. Perfect. That's nice. Okay, now I have a question. How do you get to school? How do you get to school? I'll translate it for you. How do you get to school for you to understand better? It's not working. Wait. Give me a little time. It's still not working. My phone is not working. What happened to you?
Bạn đến trường bằng cách nào?
How do you get to school?
Bạn đến trường bằng cách nào?
Motorbike.
Oh, you use motorbike. Do you have school bus there?
Yes.
Yes, but you are using motorbikes. Very good. Okay, now we will talk about main idea and details. Okay, can you please read?
The main idea is what a text is about. There is one main idea. Other sentences in the text tell us more about the main idea. These are called details.
Very good. So when we say main idea, this is the topic of our story. Okay. So again, main idea is what the text is about. It's the topic. Okay. Main idea is the topic, and the other sentences is the detail. Okay. For example, can you please read?
My
Neighborhood.
neighborhood
Very good.
was very different.
Different.
Long way
Ago.
ago, there was a big farm, and it was quiet and safe. There weren't a lot of buildings or people. It's different now.
Okay. So according here, my neighborhood was very different long ago. So there was a big farm and it was quiet and safe. There weren't a lot of buildings or people. It's different now. So our main idea or the the topic is all about Han. The main idea can be seen in the first paragraph of the text. No, I know. I mean the first sentence. Okay, so the first sentence is the main idea. Okay? So the main idea is
My near my
my neighborhood
neighborhood was very different long ago.
Okay, so that is the main idea and we put it here.
My neighborhood was very different long ago.
Okay, so that is the main idea. And the next is, this is the details. So here, these are the details. Okay, so our first detail is, there was a big farm. The second is, it was quiet and safe. And the third one is, there weren't a lot of buildings or people. Can you understand, Han? So, this is the main idea. So, according here, my neighborhood was different a long ago. Can you understand that? Do you understand or not? I'll translate it for you to understand, okay? My neighborhood was very different long ago. Not working. My neighborhood
Khu phố của tôi đã rất khác từ lâu.
Can you understand again?
Khu phố của tôi đã rất khác từ lâu.
Okay, so that is what it meant. My neighborhood was different long ago. So before, there was a big farm. Before, it was quiet and safe. Before, there weren't a lot of buildings or people. Okay? So these are the details. Okay? Okay. So we have here a activity. Can you please read?
Ali was different a long time ago. He was a naughty little boy. Now he's a good student. He was always late for school. Now he's always early.
Okay. So what is our main idea?
Mm,
What is our topic all about?
Ali was different.
Okay. Continue. Different.
A long time ago.
Very good. So Ali was different a long time ago, and that is our main idea. So what are the details?
Mm, he was naughty little boy.
He was naughty. Naughty little boy. Very good. What else?
He was always late for school.
He was always late for school. Very good. What else?
Now he's always early.
Now, he's always early. Very good. And what is the other one?
Mm, he's a student.
He's a
Student.
this one. What how to read this
He's
one?
a good student.
Very good. He's a good student. Very good. So that is this is the main idea and the details. Very good. So now we will be reading this. Okay. Can you please read? Let's read the title first.
Then and now.
Okay.
Today, communication and travel are fast, and it's easy to get news. But a long time ago, these were very different.
Okay. So the communication and travel are fast and it's easy to get news. So now, that is now. Like in communication, we can talk to other people through cell phones, right? We can just chit chat and messenger and this like this in the Skype we can communicate to other people like that, but before they don't do that. They don't have Skype before, only letters. Okay, so it's a little difficult for them to communicate. Okay. Okay, let's read the communication.
Long ago, people used letters to
Communicate.
communicate. They mailed letters to friends and families. Letters were carried by horse and cart, and later by train or boat.
Okay,
Today,
stop. Okay, so long ago, so before, their form of communication is letters. Okay, so they write letters and they mailed it to their friends. Okay, that is how they communicate. So the letters, they write letters, and the letters, it was carried by the horse in the cart. Okay, and her horse, it was carried by the horse, and they will transfer it to the train, and train or boat in the sea before it before it before your friend receive it. So it will take time. Okay, so continue.
Mm.
Han, please continue.
Today, communication is very different and letter and carried by airplane.
Stop. Okay, so today, before, the letters were carried by horse, then train or boat. So now, the letters are carried by airplane. So it's easier. Continue.
We can use email, text message, or phone calls to
Communicate.
communicate quickly with friends and family all over the world.
Okay, so now, aside from letters, we can also communicate to our friends and family through email and text messages or phone calls. Okay, so that's easy. Okay, so here, can you see the woman, the grandma? So the grandma, can you please read?
My great grandma mailed a letter to
Mailed.
her
This is read as mailed.
mailed a letter to her friend in London. It took 2 months to get there.
Okay, so this is her grandmother, great grandmother, and before, long ago, they, in sending a letter to a friend, they mailed it. Look, this is the letter. They mailed it, and okay, it took 2 months. Okay, 2 long months to get there. So it traveled so long. The letter traveled so long before it before the friends receive it. Okay, it's 2 months. Can you imagine how long is that? 2 months, and before they receive the letter. How about this? Can you please read?
I sent emails to my friend in London. She can read them right away.
Okay, so now, just by one click, you can send your message to your friends already. Okay? Before, it took 2 months. But now, right away, our friends can read our messages right away now. But before, so long ago, it took 2 months for their friends to read their messages. Okay? Okay, can you please read?
Before newspapers, people text to each other to get news. Then people printed the news on paper and newspapers started. Later, they listened to the radio.
Listened.
listen to the radio for news. Today we can get news anytime we want.
Okay, very good. So um before newspapers, so for them to get news, they just talk to each other. That is how they get news before. So if there's a storm, they only talk to each other. Like, oh, there's a storm. Then you tell it to your friend, there's a storm. Then your friend tell it to other friend, there's a storm. That is how they they get news. Okay. Then after they talk, then the people print the news. And that is what we call newspaper. Okay? But that is long ago. But now we can listen to news to the radio. Okay? And we can also um, listen to news even in the television. So this one, they listen to news on the radio at 6 o'clock every day. So this is their news, their radio. Okay, and the radio, they listen to it at 6 o'clock every day. This was long ago. But this time, they watch the news on TV and they can read it into the internet anytime they want. So different long ago and now. Okay, next. Travel. Can you please read?
People long ago walked from
Walked.
place walk,
Walked.
walked from place to place or traveled by horse and cart.
Yep. Okay, so at long ago, so before, the people travel through walking. Okay? Before they are just walking for them to go from one place to another. They walk or they ride a horse and a cart like this in the picture. Okay, continue.
When they traveled long distances, they went by train
Distances.
or distances.
Distances.
They went by train or street. It was long and difficult. Today we can travel in cars, fast trains, buses, or airplanes to go to places that are far away.
Okay, stop. Okay, so before, if they travel long distances, they went by train. They ride a train or ship, but it is slow and difficult before. But now we have fast trains. Like our trains goes like right? Our trains are fast now, and we have buses and we have airplanes if we want to go from one place to another. Okay, so please continue.
Today
Mm,
we can travel to places across the ocean, across the world in a day. Travel is fast and easy now.
okay, so now we can travel even to places across the oceans in just one day. Travel is fast and easy now. So before, look at these guys. So this guy are traveling. They are traveling from New York to Boston. And They only traveled for 2 days. Okay, but now here are the people traveling from New York to Boston. It's only 30 minutes. Okay, so it's so fast. It's different from long ago and now. Okay, so now we will rate what we feel about what we read. Okay, this is super happy, happy, or excuse me, or not happy at all. So now let's start with communication. So are you happy? Are you super happy? Happy or not happy?
Super happy.
Super happy. Why?
I don't know.
I don't know why you're happy. Okay. So, um, we are happy because we can we can communicate. We can talk to our friends easily and quickly, right? Before, they only use letters and send it through email, through mail. But now, we can easily communicate just by one click and your message are sent already. Okay, how about number 2?
News.
News. How about the news? Are you super happy? Happy or not happy?
Not happy.
Not happy?
Yes,
Why?
because I don't know news.
You don't know news? Okay. Uh, Most of the time, old our parents or old people want to listen to news, but babies like you don't listen to news. Okay, how about number 3? Travel. How do you feel about traveling?
Super happy.
Super happy, me too. Because I really like traveling, like going to one place to another. I like to go to beaches. How about you? Why are you happy? Why are you
Because
super happy?
I like go to play.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, now we will have a conversation. So I will be this guy and you will be this girl. Okay? Okay. What's your favorite part?
Travel long ago was slow and difficult. I'm glad we have plans now.
Planes.
Plans.
Planes.
Plans
Now.
now.
Okay. So now we will try to answer this one. What do you think is the main idea of what we read? What do you think is the main idea?
Um, Today, communication and travel are first, and it's easy to get news.
Okay, very good. So we will today what is it again? I can't memorize it. Wait.
Today's communication and travel are fast, and it's
Uh, okay. Today, communication and travel are fast and it's easy to get news.
um
Okay, oh no. Like that. Okay, what do you think is the details? So we will get, so our main idea is communication. Today, communication and travel are fast and it's easy to get news. Okay, so let's find one details from communication, one detail from travel, and one detail from news. So we will focus about the main idea, okay? So according to main idea, today, okay, we are talking about today. Communication and travel are fast and it's easy to get news, okay? So I will let you read it. What will be in the communication? What will be our detail?
Uh, there and it's easy to get new.
What again?
And it's easy to get news.
It's easy to get news. You're reading here, right? So now it's right. Your main idea is right. So now we will find the details. Okay? So here we will find, here in the communication, we will find the detail. One detail about communication is easy and fast. We will choose one sentence from here.
Uh, but a long time ago, these were very different.
Where did you read? Okay, what?
But
What's your answer? So we will find the way of communication today. Okay, now you you find how communication works now.
long ago, people used letters to communicate.
Okay, that's we are looking for now.
They
What do you think?
uh, mm,
Now, what is the way of communication now?
uh,
Find it. So before, okay. So before, give you an example, okay? Before, our letters were carried by horse and cart. So how about now? Our letters are carried by,
they
so before, our letters are carried by horse and cart. About now,
and later by train or boat.
okay, yes. Um, so before, this is before, okay? Before, letters were carried by horse and then to train. How about now? Today, letters, before letters are carried by horse, cart, then train or boat. How about now, today? Letters are carried by what? You can do it. Before, letters are carried by horse. But now, letters are carried by what?
Train a boat.
Yes, train and boat before. How about now? You need to read here. Han, read here, Han, for you to find the answer.
Today, communicate is different. A letter are carried by airplane. We can use email, text message, or phone calls to communicate quickly with friends and family all over the world.
Okay, so what is the answer? Today, the letters are carried by what?
Carried by airplane.
Very good. So before, letters were carried by horse and cart, and later train or boat. But now, letters are carried by airplane. Very good. So we put here, letters are carried by airplane. Very good. How about in travel? Travel. What we ride for travel now?
People long away walk from place to place or travel by horse and cart. When they traveled long distance.
No, we need to find the how do we travel now? Today. Okay, so today, can do it. So before, we travel through train or ship. But now we travel through what? We can travel in
To places that are far away.
yes, okay. So what do we ride now? So we can travel today, we can travel in oops, it's already 9:30. Cars, fast trains, or buses, okay? So we can travel in cars. Oh, where did now we can travel in cars. What else? Cars, fast trains, and buses. Okay. Okay, that's our answer. Oh, where is our first answer? Oh, okay. And the last one about the news. Okay, I will answer it for you. So now, today we get news anytime we want. Today we can get news anytime we want. Okay, so our topic now is a little bit difficult, right? But thank you so much for your cooperation. So you will have an assignment. Okay, so this will be your assignment. Letter C. Page 52, letter C. Do you have a book? No. Do you have a book, Han? No?
I don't know.
Like a book like this, you don't have? Okay. Okay, so we will just answer it next time around. So, our topic now is a little bit difficult, but I believe we can finish this. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, we will finish it next time around. So, goodbye, Han, and see you next time.
Bye.
Let's take a selfie. Oops, wait. Goodbye.
Bye, teacher. See you again.
See you again next time.